In this video, I'm going to show you how to work with loops in Python. But first off, I want to congratulate you for making it to this video. You're obviously going to be a really, really great coder because you're able to search Google, YouTube in order to find the answers. And really all coding is finding the answers to your problems. And it feels so good when you find the answer. So that's why I make these videos, is because if I can help you find the answer, then I can help you get that feeling of like jumping up in joy when you finally figure out your problem. So that's why I make these coding videos. But anyways, let's jump into it. How to use while loops. I'm gonna set n to 5. So pretty much saying n equals 5, boom. Pretty simple, right? But while loops are gonna run until something is false. So while n is bigger than, let's say while n is smaller than 10, print n is smaller than 10. So essentially what's going to happen here is this is going to run until n is bigger than 10 and n is set to 5. So what's going to happen? It's going to run forever. It's going to crash my computer. Going to keep running. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop it. But I just wanted to display that until this is false, it's not going to change. It's just going to keep running. And that's what a while loop does. And it's super good for that reason, because you don't have to say, like a for loop, for example, you could say, hey, while this, going through this list of things or dictionary of things until this is false, run. But while loops are super helpful in a lot of cases. I'm an algo trader, so I'm always using while loops. Hey, while the profit and loss is higher than this, don't do anything, or sell when it's blah 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 or whatever. So the way to explain this is a while loop just keeps going until this condition is false. So how can we get this condition to be false? Well, we could say n plus equals 1. And what does this do? This is going to take n and it's going to add 1 to it, and then it's going to make it equal whatever that new number is. So for this example, it would say, okay, n is 5, right? So it would say plus 1 and then it equals 6. But then the next time through it should be plus 1, so 6 plus 1 equals 7, and so on and so on. And the reason I'm doing this is because eventually n will be bigger than 10 and it should stop. So let me go ahead and print, I'm gonna use f literal here, n equals n, and then all I did here was n equals n so we can see it iterate through and eventually stop. And let's do this, let's make it 20 so it's a little longer, and this is how you're gonna stop your while loop. Look at that. Boom. Perfect. So it ran 20 times through. First time, n is smaller than 10. And then it changes n to 6, and then n to 7, n to 8, n to 9, 10, 11, 12, and 20. So it stops when this condition is false. So that's how you use a while loop. It's super powerful. As I mentioned, I'm an algo trader, so I'm always using while loops. And if you want to learn more from me, whether you're trying to get started with Python or you want to do some algo trading, I do have a boot camp that you can find the link to. You get direct contact with me as well to ask any questions you do have. But if you're not quite ready for that, I totally get it. I'm putting a video up on the screen right here, and you can just click on that after you tap the like button. So tap the like button and click on this video that's showing on your screen right here, and I can't wait to show you more cool stuff in this next video. So just tap it and I'll see you in there. All right.